Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Maddy. Today I'm gonna show how to install a Windows 10 in your PC. You will need a bootable USB with Windows, a PC or laptop where you will install Windows. If you don't know how to make bootable USB, check out the video link in description. Plug in your bootable USB into the PC. Restart the computer. While it's restarting, enter BIOS or boot menu, usually by pressing F2, F12 or escape button, depends on your motherboard. In boot menu, select your USB drive to boot from it. The Windows setup screen will appear. I have selected first option, you have select according to your system. Click the next option. If you have a product key, enter it. If not, click I don't have a product key. Choose your Windows version, professional, etc. Select the second option, custom install Windows. You will see your hard drive partition. Select the one you want to install Windows. Click next. Windows will start copying files and installing them. It will restart a few times, don't touch anything. Once done, go through the setup screen. Select the keyboard layout. Select first option. If you have Microsoft account, then enter it, otherwise skip. Click the next option. After that, Windows 10 is ready. And that's it guys. If the video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Maddy, and drop a comment if you got any questions. I will see you in the next video.